Hi, welcome to my channel. First, we are talking about display. The Nokia upcoming smartphone N75 MAX 5G comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Nokia N75 MAX 5G mobile lovers, this mobile used display resolutions of 1440 x 3200 pixels. In the display section, this mobile also used always-on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phone, whose name is camera. On the camera section, Nokia added a quad 108MP primary lens plus 20MP ultra-wide lens plus 16MP wide sensor plus 5MP depth sensor as front camera. For selfie, it has a dual 64MP plus 8MP camera. Regular camera features like Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama, HDR are added. Now, you can easily pick a picture or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is a very important part of a good smartphone. So, the Nokia N75 MAX 5G used a 7100 mAh polymer type non-removable battery for its long-time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 40 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So, this phone included 33W quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are fast checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage and an extra micro South Dakota card. The Nokia upcoming phone N75 MAX 5G comes with 812GB RAM and two variants, 128GB and 256GB ROM. Customers can easily exacerbate internal storage by using a micro South Dakota card up to 1 TB. On the operating system section, this smartphone added Android 12. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon platform makes the smartphone very fast. This Nokia smartphone used GSM CDMA HSPA EVDO LTE 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So, Nokia's upcoming mobile used the latest sensors technology and their name is fingerprint, under display, ultrasonic, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. For more news on mobile, do subscribe, like and share. See you in next video. Thanks.